The 951SX offers an accurate linear temperature control dial. All of Edsyn's soldering stations are easy to maintain and calibrate with an external calibration feature. The modular assembly design offers easy service and maintenance. A wide variety of soldering and SMT crown tips are available for use with all of our stations. You'll notice the sponge tray. This is removable and enables the operator to place it away from the station. The pod is removable. This reduces the amount of energy needed to maintain the set temperature of the soldering tool. It keeps air from circulating around the tip so that it reduces tip oxidation. The pod catches excess solder off the tip when it's placed in the pod. The temperature range is 400 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and temperature regulation plus or minus 6 degrees Fahrenheit. When the green light flashes, the temperature is being regulated. All Edsyn soldering stations are ESD safe and come with an 18-month warranty.